Good morning, students. I welcome you all in our life skill session part 2. As you know, in last session we discussed about self appraisal, which is highly recommended because it encourages you to be proud of yourself. It also encourages you for doing the things in better manner and overcoming your weaknesses. However good we are, we should always keep an eye on our performance and keep on checking if there is any scope for improvement. At the same time, we should also introspect to improve ourselves and increase our worth as a person. Self worth is a favorable estimate of ourself. It comes from within and we cannot get it externally. Here are some simple ways to increase your worth. Nurture good feelings about yourself, applaud yourself, speak positively to yourself about yourself, write down something you feel proud about, preferably at the end of the day, be open and honest with others, be assertive, learn to say no to others without offending them. Take pride in whatever work you do. Walk tall and proud. Dress smartly. Love yourself. Work on your strength rather than focusing on your weakness. Reward your success. Be honest with yourself. Help other people who need your care and support. Face your fears and challenges. And the last but not the least, be optimistic. Now what will happen when we will do these all things? You will feel better and more confident. When you will feel more better and confident, you can do everything better. Then applaud yourself once again. Try not to compare yourself with others who are better skilled than you, because you will feel miserable, or maybe you feel introvert. It may lose your confidence. So if you compare yourself with those who are inferior in their talent or capabilities, you may become arrogant and overconfident. So try to compare yourself with yourself only. Means you need to check where I was and where now I am, and you need to work on that where you can be in the future. This can be done by asking yourself these questions. Am I better person than I was? How can I be better person than I am today? Questions like this will help you to improve what you do. For example, athletes while practicing for athletic competitions, many do not train with other runners. They run with timers. They time themselves and keep running again and again, trying to improve their own timings. On a particular day, if they run a certain distance in 3 minutes, then they try to complete it in less than 3 minutes on the next chance. Here, they do not compete or compare their performance with others. They race against themselves. So, when you try to build your inner strength, compare how you are now, how you were earlier, and how you intend to be in future. Of course, it is a wonderful idea to look on those examples like great saints, leaders, teachers, patriots, artists, writers, scientists, etc. You admire by inspired by them. What is stressed is the avoidance of making unhealthy comparisons. So, it is important to increase oneself worth, as it is directly related to self confidence. It elevates one's self confidence, and one can present one's strengths to the world, thus leading to an emotionally healthy life. So spend some time in building up your self-worth, just like you spend time in building up your physical health and intelligence. Now, here time to do something. Just pause this screen and try to answer these all. Thank you.